Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble these beautiful, gorgeous gingerbread cards. As you can see, there is gingerbread woman and there is gingerbread house for your Christmas gift. I hope that you will like this video. Please subscribe for my channel. Also, please visit my Instagram page that is in my channel. Let me show you first. Let me remove all this Christmas decoration. First, to explain, as you can see, I've already made this gingerbread house. When you buy this kit, you will receive 2 pages with little mini elements for decoration the house, and for decoration this little beautiful gingerbread woman. I've used distress ink, as you can see, to distress all the edges. Let me just show you. There are a lot of elements. This one is the difficult one. That is why I choose to make it, because it took a long time to make it, I'm not going to lie. Also, when you open it like this, you can see that there is place where you can put your sentiment or your message for the person that you are going to give this card. There it is. I think it looks very beautiful. So all these miniature elements that you see here, I used foam tape for this one, are inside of the kit, so you can decorate it and make it very interesting. Okay, let me show you how I'm going to decorate this beautiful gingerbread card, the second one, which is easier because it has less elements for decoration and for cutting, of course. Just let me take my chair and sit. Okay, there it is, and my scissor for any case. All of those elements that looks like windows, that are windows and doors, have little tabs. If, as you can see, if the tab is, I made the tab bigger. If the tab is bigger for you, you can cut it, as I'm doing it. I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to cut a little part from it. Maybe more, just like that, as you can see, and I'm going to glue it for this window. Let me just take my glue. There it is, the place for this little window. No, I'm sorry, I made a mistake, it's here. They have sizes, so there it is, and this one is for, okay, let me cut a little bit of the tab and glue it. And door, again I'm going to cut a little bit of the tab and glue. I mean stick it, not glue it. Okay, this is the door for the snowman. Also, there are a lot of small embellishments, as I said. Just remove the axis here. There are small elements for which I'm going to use foam tapes and foam squares or foam squares. Depends how big is the little element. Okay, let me just stick it here. Ooh. I'm going to glue those candies because they're too small for the foam squares, like this here, and the second one will be here. Okay, and this candy, going to put it here. No, I don't like how it looks there. I'm going to remove it, and I'm going to put it here, just like that. For those little sentiments, I'm going to, actually it's little embellishment, oh, it's little labels. For them I'm going to use again, because all the elements are very, very small, as you can see. And this is the finishing look of this beautiful card. As you can see, I like the way how it looks, especially with those foam tapes. And you can put sentiment here, or you can add it in junk journal. There are the two products. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I wish you an amazing day. Bye bye.